Now guys, I'm going to the make a tractor. That one is a big tractor, that one guys. Wow. Maybe, I don't know, maybe, oh, tomorrow is Wednesday, maybe on Thursday, because we planting on Thursday, I think. Look guys, it's very big. Nice that one to business too, but the problem is we don't have driver. If we have own that one, nice income. Nice the income guys. So look, that one the owner the property, the driver, that one the owner the property, he came from Cebu. He come from Cebu, and then they apply to drive that one, the tractor, because 2 months is vacation here, because he want to sell that one, that property. Yeah, that one the property, he want to sell that one, her property, 2,000 more square meter. He want to get the title there in Tagbilaran on December next month. Yeah, that one the owner guys. We want to get the title of property. Actually, we can to sell this one the property. This one they sell the property guys. This one, that one his own property. So now he working, because his cousin is, they make a rice field, that one. It's nice guys. The driver. I think we finished. Wow, nice to planting rice. I don't know if I can help, because my legs is very sore. So this, I'm working, so my legs is sore. I said that one city, that one that here, his own property, the driver.
Yeah.
And then he want to sell that one.
Yeah, that's his property.
Yeah, that one.
Well, I thought that was all of this that was for sale.
Yeah, all for sale. That one all for sale.
Oh, the driver. Okay, I understand.
Yeah, that one the driver on. Yeah. He waiting on the next month, December. He want to get that title.
Yeah.
Because he want to sell that one.
From where to where? What's his property?
That one, the big coconut, until the tree until there. We have a coconut also in the front there. Yeah, that one there on top.
And then over here.
Yeah, over here. Over there.
This?
Yeah.
Does it go like this? Where is this?
Huh?
What about this?
I don't know, because he said 2,000, more than 2,000, that one. Then if you want to buy, so we can do half advance. Advance, yeah, half advance, because he want to use money. But only 2 times to pay. For example, this month, then after next one. He took for me that about that his property. He said buying that one die. I said, oh my God, we have project. This one.
Well, that would be nice.
I said that we have project, John. The house is not finished. There are a lot.
His dog.
Huh?
His dog.
He tried to me joking. He told me that one Ite, the owner, that we will change this one that one our property, and then our property in Burgos we want to changing. I said I don't know if you like, but very nice. We have well, we have house. I told her that.
I'm okay.
Huh?
I'm okay.
No, I did not say okay.
Okay.
Really?
Sure.
Sure? Because this one is 2,000, then our property Burgos almost very close and 1 hectare.
Yeah.
Yeah. I told him that we have coconut, more than 60 coconut, I think 70. And we have bamboo. Yeah.
But if you trade, this is better for you.
Yeah, it's better that one. Because it's flat.
And it's here.
Huh?
It's not in Burgos.
Yeah. I will try to talking that one because he said we changed day. He told me, she said no guys. We will see. Maribel, that one. Call Maribel.
Huh?
Call Maribel. Call, did not hear. Call Maribel. Because your voice is high.
Yeah, I know.
Tell her,
You can hear me, but
Sweetie Pie. Sweetie Pie Maribel. Sweetie is laughing again. Sweetie, you are very cute. Ha ha ha. Wak wak wak. Wak wak wak. Wak wak wak. Oh, we finished. Wow, nice looking city. The rice field, see? Very big. Nice that one, the business city. I will buy that one city. How much that one? 20,000? 20,000. So I thought, okay, 1 hour 500.
Where's the irrigation?
Irrigation, that one.
In the levee?
No, that we have the people, or we have the,
with the
yeah, that one, the irrigations there. So we finished. Wow, nice job, Maribel. Oh, they prefer the seed city. See,
Yeah,
that
already,
one.
huh?
Yeah, that one I removing. Oh, maybe we planting. We have somebody plant.
How come, look,
Yeah,
if you see here,
yeah.
it's not planted very green. If you look down there, it's green. Why?
Sweetie, that one that we planting, me and Maribel, he said that we need the distance because we don't have seeds. So she said it's just 1-2 pieces only the seeds. So that's why, see, it's a big distance, that one. Because first Maribel said we don't have seeds, that we 2 seeds we plant.
Yeah.
So that's why. And then
Change your mind?
after that we changing the mind because we have seeds. Yeah, Kuya Lolong, you find the seeds there. So nice looking, they're green. Yep. Yeah, guys. Okay. I hope you like my video, guys, and don't forget subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share, guys. Wow.